Alright YouTube, so in this video I'm gonna tell you how to properly mount a subwoofer to an enclosure. Well, this is a plywood enclosure and you can see that this is the front side. It's just plywood and the black paint on it. There is no the carpet or anything at the front. And this is the subwoofer. It's 12-inch subwoofer from Sony Explode, and I'm going to show you how to mount this to the cabinet properly, because when you mount a subwoofer to a cabinet, you need to be sure that there is no air leakage from around the subwoofer at the front here. The enclosure may be the sealed one or maybe the ported one. Either way, you need to be sure that there is no air leakage from any other place. In the case of the ported enclosure, the port for the air passing, that will be the only place for air passing, and except that there will be no any air leakage. And if there is, it may affect your sound that the subwoofer is going to produce. So for that, what you need to do to be sure about the air leakage around the subwoofer when you're going to mount it on a plain wood or on the plyboard, you need a gasket tape just like this. This is a slim one. You can get wider, and also there will be the variety of the thickness of this foam gasket, so you're going to choose according to your need. Well, I chose this one, and for other purpose, but I'm going to show you with this. And also I'm going to give you the link of this product in the description below. So let's get started. Alright, this is the gasket tape. What you need to do is you need to peel off this plastic, and on this side the tape will be sort of glued, so you just need to stick it.
Just to know what you knew. Restless every time we start locking eyes. Lost control. Oh, it's paradise with honesty, but I'm in the dead of the Take me in the smoke, breathe me in and let me go. Sink to your heart to find you. Open up your eyes till you're blinded by the lies, so you can see